Okay, guys. So, first of all, welcome everyone in the course of ArcGIS Pro customization using Python and ArcPy. As you know, today we have introduction session. So, in today's session, we are going to discuss about what are the or what kind of customization we can do in ArcGIS Pro. What are the different options we have for the customization, why customization is required, and many more things. But before going to start with this course, first I just want to do a small introduction. So as you know, this course is conducted by Geotech and Yo4GIS Solutions. And we have around 20 plus year of experience in GIS. And the best part is we have experience in GIS development as well as GIS data service. We are providing training on the development. We are providing training on the basic of the GIS, and there are many more advanced courses also we have where basically you can learn how we can do the image processing, how we can find out the land use, land cover using the satellite images. So these all things also available with us. And we have all the certification what here you can see, because this course is related to the development. So we are showing only those capabilities and certifications what we have related to the development. And this is not only the one development course, as you already seen here, EO4 GIS and Geotech have around 20 plus year of experience, and we are providing classes or we are providing courses on many different platforms. Guys, please be on mute. So this is about us, and now I just want to get something from your side also. Means one thing I understood ki you guys are here means definitely you want to do something in the development or something in the customization, and you also from the GIS background, because if you are from the GIS background, because of that reason you want to learn the customization. And normally what happened when people are joining the course, after that this entire session is basically kind of the knowledge sharing session, because many people who join the course they are coming from the different background, and they have different kind of knowledge, different kind of experience, so that they can share their experience, they can share their problems, so that when we will start doing the customization of the ArcGIS Pro, so we can include their problems as well, so that whatever the problem they are facing, if they will understand ki, okay, how we can reduce our effort and do the work quickly. So it will be great, guys, if you please tell about yourself in very short. It means what kind of experience you have and what is your expectation with the course. Then really it will be very good for us. So anyone can start, please.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, you are perfectly audible.
Sir, I am Pallav Kumar Majumdar, and I am currently working in Kolkata Metropolitan Development Authority. So, it's a statutory body under Government of West Bengal, and I am currently working under sewerage and drainage projects. And currently, we have a GIS-based master plan on going on for a project area, and that project is being undertaken by a consultant. I am
Mhm.
the client basically. So I have done a basic, 6 months certification on GIS and remote sensing from a local
Uh,
college here, and I wish to undertake this course to further enhance my skills.
Okay, okay, great. Yeah, yes, guys. Next,
Hello, my name is Priya Lanje, and I am currently working in a Cognizant as a process executive. I just want to change my field as a developer, so that's why I'm here.
okay. Yes, next. Anyone? Okay, no problem. But one thing, remember, guys, you have to talk. Okay, in your life and in your professional career, the most important thing is you have to talk. You have to tell. Means
Can you hear me now?
after some time, if you will see you are working in a team and your teammate is growing very rapidly because the reason is what he has, he is always ready to express. So because of that reason, I am telling to everyone, you have to tell. Okay, doesn't matter. And here we are only 10 to 12 people, correct? If you are facing problem to tell here, then definitely you will face problem for the big like group. Okay. Okay. Anyways, we'll move forward. So, how many people are from the development background? Anyone is here from the development background? No? Okay, good. And one very important thing is this course is specifically designed for whom who is coming from non-development background. And not only this course, whatever the course we are providing, all the courses are basically start from the scratch, start from the zero. So you no need to worry about that ki you are coming from the non-development background or you are coming from the normal GIS. But only thing is what we are telling, if you will follow properly, then definitely you will become a GIS developer. Okay, so now coming to the customization course and all. So as you know, in this course, you are going to explore how we can customize ArcGIS Pro. And as you know, to customization of anything, we required development. We required the programming. And end of the day, why the programming is required? End of the day, why this programming is required? So I believe everyone knows this guy. So his quote is, I choose a lazy person to do a hard job because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. And that is 100% correct. Okay, and that is this quote is 100% correct. because it is perfectly fit on me. I am a very lazy guy. So I have around 20 year of experience, and as I already told you, I am a very lazy guy. So whenever my manager give me any work, कि Yogesh, we need to do this thing, then immediately I start thinking कि how quickly I can do this work, what is the way. Then finally I got कि अरे there is a programming. There is something is there that is called the programming. If we will do the programming or if we will explore the programming, so whenever my manager asks me, we need to do this thing. So we have developed some smart or a small program. We run the program, get the output, done the job in 5 minutes. Previously, or other guys is basically spending hours to do this thing, and I was able to complete the job in 5 to 10 minutes. Simply, I am giving you one small task. Later on, we will discuss about this task. Okay, let's suppose you all knows the ArcGIS Pro, correct? Am I right? You all knows ArcGIS Pro or not?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Um,
So if you know the ArcGIS Pro, now tell me
sir,
one thing. Yeah, tell me.
sir, my humble submission is, sir, I haven't used ArcGIS Pro before. I am using the Arc Map, the normal ArcGIS. So,
Okay.
would that be a problem?
No, it's not. There is no problem. The good thing is you already knows about the ArcGIS desktop. Okay. And ArcGIS Pro is the enhanced version of the ArcGIS desktop. But one thing remember, the Python what we are using in ArcGIS desktop and the Python what we are using in ArcGIS Pro, there is a slight difference. Okay, there is a slight difference. So that best thing is if you will install ArcGIS Pro and do the practice with ArcGIS Pro, it will be good for you. Okay, got it?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So coming to the point, let's suppose you have ArcGIS Pro, you are using ArcGIS Pro, you have one file geodatabase. Okay. You have one file geodatabase. In that file geodatabase, maybe there are 150 classes are there, or there are 200 feature classes are there. And every day people are doing some work with the file geodatabase. Means some features they are adding, some features are deleting. And every day evening 5 o'clock, your manager called you and asked, "Bhai, can you give me a report where you please show the name of the feature class and feature count?" Very small task, very simple task. Your manager called you and asked, the feature class having 200 feature classes, every day evening 5 o'clock, you please submit a report. In that report, please mention all the feature class name and feature count. Now, can anyone tell me how much time you will take to do this thing? If you have 200 feature classes in file geo database. Approximately how much time it will take?
Sir, half an hour.
Okay, you are expert. Okay, if you are telling it will take half an hour, then it means you are expert. Now, even though if you are expert and you have good experience, you are able to add the feature class in ArcMap, get the feature count, note down, generate the report, everything you are able to do in half an hour. No problem. But if you know the Python, if you know the ArcPy, then maybe this task you can do in 5 minutes. And the best thing is this task you are not going to do only one day. Every day evening 5 o'clock you need to generate the report. Correct? Then this is become tough. If this is a one-time task, no problem. But if every day 5 o'clock, if we need to generate the report, then this will become tough task. So using the customization, using the programming, we can do the same task in 5 minutes. So this is the and that kind of benefit we are getting when we are exploring the Python and ArcPy and doing the customization in ArcGIS Pro. So what are the basically to customize the ArcGIS Pro, we need to explore the programming. So first of all, what are the benefit of the programming we have? The programming means this is another language, the normal language, what you knows or what I know, this language is good for the communication between the human being. If you know the programming or if you are going to explore any programming language, so that is another language which you can use to communicate with the devices, which you can use to communicate with the computer, communicate with the ArcGIS Pro. After that, it will enhance the foster creativity. Basically, what we are thinking, that is always depends on our knowledge. What the people are thinking, that is totally depends upon their knowledge. Why the one rickshaw person or one rickshaw man cannot think about the rocket launching process? Because the reason is his education, his capability is not equivalent to that where you can think about that kind of thing. So here, why we are not able to do the customization, why we are not able to think if I need to every day, if I need to count the feature, then we can write any program and we can get the count, because the reason is we don't know the programming. So if you know the programming, automatically ideas will come in your mind and you can implement. Let's suppose in your one of the folder there are 1000 images are there. Okay, in a folder there are 1000 images are there. Now I am giving you one task. Can you rename all the 1000 images with the prefix of the Yogesh? In a folder, we have 1000 images, maybe 10,000 images. I want to rename all the images with the prefix Yogesh. So if we don't know the programming, definitely we don't have any other option. We have to do manually. But if you know the programming, maybe 2, 4, 5, 8 line of program you will write, and this work will be done in 2 minutes. But that thing, that idea will come, that creativity will come if you know the programming. Convert ideas to conceptual. Basically, if you have a good experience in GIS, so definitely you have implemented or you have executed many projects, you have very good ideas. But the problem is you are not able to convert your idea to the some concept or some programming. Why? Because the reason is you don't know the programming. Quick decision making. When we can take the decision quickly, when we can take the decision quickly, If we will have statistics, then we can take the decision quickly. How we can calculate or how we can gather the statistics quickly? With the help of programming. Become more efficient and productive. Definitely, if you are going to explore the programming and you are implementing in your daily job, then definitely your productivity and efficiency will be increased. Automate the things. This is the very important use for the GIS people. If we want to automate something in ArcGIS Pro, then we can explore the programming and implement. Make things easier. Every day we need to calculate the feature count, open each and every feature class in ArcMap or ArcGIS Pro, find the count, write down or note down in the notepad. But if we know the programming, that make things easier. Attractive salaries and job, that is the most important thing. Rest of the things in one side and attractive salary and job is another side. If you are working in the GIS, if because I have around 20 plus year of experience, and if you are based on my experience, if you are working in the GIS data site, if you are working in data service and you are working in a company, so actually I no need to explain. You already know what is the market. In market, anywhere if you will go, people are talking about what? People are asking about do you know the Python? Do you know the programming? Do you know how to customize the things? And the programmer or developer only getting a good salary. Okay. So this is very important thing. And how we can become a programmer or how we can start the programming. So first thing is we need to clear our basics. What are the programming language you are going to explore? You have to understand the basics of the programming. Practice is very important. Practice till perfection. Write good and understandable code. Whatever the code, whatever the program you are writing, you have to write code in the proper way. Next one is the share, ask and learn. So whatever the coding means, because as you know, whatever the people has joined this course, we already have created a group, and in the group you can share your thought, you can share your program, and if you have any queries, you can share in the group. So everyone can share their code and rectify the issue. Take help from online resources. As you know, now the time is the AI. Okay, so and now AI is very powerful tool for any developer. So in our course, we will see how we can use the AI, how we can use the AI to write the code quickly. That is very important. But here the most important thing is before going to use the AI to write the Python code or to write the ArcPy code, first we have to understand what function is doing what, or what is the function we are using for what purpose. So here, if you want to become a good programmer, so from my side there is only two rules. One is the practice. First one is the practice, and second one is the patience. That's all. Nothing else. Because why I am asking practice and patience? Because the reason is when we are coming from the non-development background, then maybe if I will write the code there will be no error. But whenever you are trying to write the code, if you will write 2 line, maybe you will get 3 line of the error. So that is the moment where we have to take the patience, because that is the moment where people will leave the development. Most of the people, most of the GIS background people, they started the development either from some institute or from some online resources. But the problem is whenever they find the error, whenever they stuck, that is the time where they will leave the practice, where they will leave the course and everything. So there are two things: practice and patience. Whatever the problem you have in the development, we are here. Okay, we are always here. Either if this course is will be end, then also we are here. So if you have any problem in the development, anytime you can ask. After that, when we are because we all from the GIS background, so in GIS, what and where, these two things is already completed. Okay, when the GIS started, and after that, many companies are preparing the data. Many companies are preparing the data. So what kind of data need to prepare, that work is already done. Where means where we need to collect the data, that work is already done. So now you have crores of data. Now you have tons of data. But now the time is what? Now the time is how we can utilize this data. Now the time is how we can utilize this data. So whenever the question how will come in the picture, then GIS development entry will be happen. So if how we can utilize the data, get the result, do the analysis, for that GIS development is useful. If you look here in the graph, this is this data we have just collected, and here you can see in the GIS domain. In GIS domain, the people who are from the GIS development side or who are working as a GIS developer, they are in the very happy situation. Now after that, coming to the ArcGIS Pro customization. So as I told you, the ArcGIS Pro customization we can do in two different ways. First one is the .NET and second one is the ArcPy. We can do the ArcGIS Pro customization using the C#.NET. Okay, we can do the ArcGIS Pro customization using the C#.NET, and we can do the customization with the help of Python and ArcPy. Both both flavor both flavor of the development or both flavor of the customization having their own pros and cons. But if I compare these two things in the context of the hardness, then Python and ArcPy is very easy as compared to the C#.NET. And normally when people are coming from non-development background, I always suggest everyone कि you have to start with the Python. You have to start with the Python, because the reason is Python is very easy language. Anyone can start the Python, and the line of code, the line of code also, what we are writing in C#.NET, If for the same thing we are going to write a code in C sharp, maybe there you need to write 10 lines. And for the same thing, if you are going to write using the Python, then maybe in 4 or 5 line code will be complete. So here ArcGIS Pro customization having two different flavor. One is the using the C sharp.net, other one is the using Python and ArcPy. If you want to do the customization using C sharp.net, so you have to know ArcGIS Pro, C sharp.net and .NET SDK. But if you want to do the customization using the Python and ArcPy, so in that situation, you have to know the ArcGIS Pro and you have to know the Python. So in this course, as continuously I am telling, we are going to do the customization with the help of Python and ArcPy. So first we have to learn Python. First we have to learn what? First we have to learn Python, then we will come to the ArcPy. So initial 1 month, we are going to focus on only Python. So if you have the ArcGIS Pro, then okay. If you don't have ArcGIS Pro, so no need to worry about that, because next 1 month basically we are not going to use ArcGIS Pro. Next 1 month we are going to do the development using the Python. For that, I will tell you how we will do the practice. You don't require ArcGIS Pro for that. Now here, what are the things we can develop using the .NET SDK? We can develop the button, we can develop the tool, we can develop the dock pans and all these things. And if we want to develop something using the Python and ArcPy, so we can develop the tool, geoprocessing tool we can develop. We can develop geoprocessing services. We can create the tool. We can create the script tool, and we can create different kind of tasks. So Python and ArcPy also very powerful tool or very powerful technology which we can use to customization of ArcGIS Pro. And here itself you can see, and basically we already know now this time Python is a very popular language, because in many domains, many different domains, people are using what? Python. We will discuss in the next session or next to next session. We are going to discuss about what is Python, what is the use of the Python. So that because actually if you are coming from the non Python background, so you have to understand basically what is Python, how the Python invented, from where we are using the Python. So these all things we will see. What is the course statistics we have? So normally this course duration is 2 months, maybe 1 week. 1 week we can extend. Normally we are extending the course 1 week or 2 week, not because of the other any reason. We are extending time because we want you guys will get a proper time for the practice. So sometime intentionally we are not taking the class, we are giving some practice questions. We are here, we will be here for the for to clear your doubts, so that in that situation basically maybe sometime 2 month or 2.5 month this course will be over. 50% of the course, like if we are considering 2 months, then 1 month is for the Python and 1 month is for the ArcPy development. course fees and these all things you guys already know. No need to discuss about this. One important thing is many people have some doubt if we will get the certificate or not. So one good thing is we are going to provide you proper certificate. So once you will get this certificate, so let's suppose if you are going to do some job in India or outside India, so normally what happened, people want to validate the certificate. Means whatever the certificate you have, that is valid or not. So we already have tie up with this organization. So if someone want to validate the certificate, they can go to their website and they will just put the enrollment number and they will get the information ki, okay, this certificate is valid or not. Okay, so the certificate also you will get, and then after we have what this course basically, this course is designed for whom. So specifically this course, normally what happened, people are designing the course with the consideration of the people who are coming and joining the course, they already know about the ABCD of the programming. But here situation is not like that, because we are also coming from the non-development background. In GIS, if you already have some experience in GIS and after that you are coming in the development, so for you this is very very good, because the reason is you already know, you already knows the GIS concept. You already knows the GIS concept, because in GIS the most important thing is you have to know about the concept of the GIS. Ki what is the coordinate system? What is the projected coordinate? What is the geographic coordinate? What is latitude? What is longitude? These all things you have to know. So sometime what happened, some people doesn't know about the GIS and they are directly jump to the development. So that is 100% true. These people are going to do a big blunder, because they don't know about why this is the projected coordinate system, why coordinate is not coming properly and all these things. So like I also, when I started my career, I started from the GIS only, GIS data service. So when I spent 2 year, 3 year with the data service, then I got to know what are the main characteristic of what kind of data, what are the different type of data, what is the coordinate system, what is the datum. Then after I came to the software development. So when you will come from the GIS to the GIS development, then this is very very good for you. So here this course basically how and to whom we have designed. So they want to do something out of the box. Something out of the box means maybe for others it is not out of the box, but for you this is out of the box. So don't care about the others. What other will think, what other will tell, forget about others. I know you guys are here. I know if you guys are here, it means you want to do something out of the box. In our other batches, you just think if people have 15 year of experience, 20 year of experience in the GIS, after 20 year of experience, they want to come in the development. So it means for them, this is out of the box. So this course we have designed for our people who are coming from the GIS. So doesn't know about the development. So as I told you, this course is basically designed for those people who are coming from the non-development background. So everything is going to start from zero. Want to learn development? So if you want to learn the development, so welcome. Implement Python skills in their domains. So whatever the domain you are working, I don't know, but I know one thing: you are using the ArcGIS Pro, and if you want to do some customization in ArcGIS Pro, so Python and ArcPy is the way to do this thing. Implement Python programming in ArcGIS Pro customization. Make career in GIS development. So definitely, once this course will over, you guys will do proper practice. Then definitely you will become a GIS developer. You can you can basically try for the GIS developer position. Even we also providing many interviews, so you can attend the interview, crack it, join it. Want to work as a solution architect? So this line is basically for who has around 15 year of experience. So if you have 15 year of experience or more than 15 year of experience in the GIS industry, and after that if you are coming in the development, so after the development knowledge, you can work as a solution architect. Solution architect means if I have any problem, I have any project, I have any idea, I will tell you that idea, you will give me the solution. Ki bhai, this thing you can implement using this different ways. Now after that, this is the course roadmap, ki how and when we are going to cover all these things. So course is going to start from introduction of the Python, which we are going to start in next session. So introduction of the Python, basic programming syntax, loop and conditions, collections, file related operation, classes and objects, Python program, batch file. Then after whatever the green part is there, these all part related to the ArcPy. So these are the things we are going to explore in the ArcPy. Once this thing will be over, because when we will start from ArcPy development, from that day itself, your practice will start on the customization of ArcGIS Pro. So please ready. And every day basically means when the course is start, let's suppose today course is started. So from next session onward, you have to be ready to spend 1 hour for the development. Doesn't matter what the work you have to spend at least 1 hour just to become a GIS developer. Okay, so these are the things we have. Now, if you have any question, any doubt, you feel free to ask.